should have just thrown them in with the car. 50, 75, time to get 75 sold. Take it $50. You want them all? Times 3 in the ground. What's your number? 547. 547. Guys, if I'm going to do a favor for you, you got to do a favor for me. Right, lot number 58. You got a 1930 Ford Model A sedan delivery truck, guys. All the parts in front of it, minus the headlights if they didn't pull the headlights out. In fact, why don't we just go down there and sell in front of the car?
It's a little delivery van from a radio. Somebody left their freaking coffee cup in there because they're pigs. All parts, too much in there. Leather ceiling. It's a little delivery service van for a little radio shop over in Iowa.
All right, Bruce.
Pretty safe.
Okay, guys, you're getting all the parts right here. We're giving you 5 with new white wall tires here. You're getting new fenders, new running boards, new gaskets, guys. You're getting all the tire chains and all right here. And you're getting the car. We got a couple extra grills and some headlights we'll sell right after that, okay? For right now, this is what you're selling the panel truck. And you're getting everything. You're getting the original fenders too that are lying on the side, okay? Any questions? Sounds good. Here we go. All right, guys. Lot number 58. About 30,000 and down 30. You can read on over your 10 grand to pick it up. 9,000 and wait.
That's what they're auctioning off right now.
$14 down 15, down 14, 15, 15, $15 down 15, then 14, my man, down 15,000. Look at all the parts you get with you guys. And where are you going to find another one? I got 14 here. It's 15,000. Then 14, here, 15, $15,000 down 15, 15, 14, 5 down 15,000. Then 15, 15,000. Get all the parts. $15,000 down 15, here, $15,000 down 15, 15, 14, 17, 15,000. $15,000 down 15,500. $40 down 15,500.
What's that? Yeah.
$15,750.
Yeah. Where did it say radio?
On the back thing over there.
On that quad? You can't hardly read it. Really? What did it say?
Wait a minute.
Yes, sir.
Is this recorded?
Yeah, that's right.
When can I come through there with a rollback and pick it up?
Where's my neighbor at?
Yeah.
I gotta keep going. Jason. That's fine.
Jason.
Don't bother me.
Grab those 2 grills and then the lights real quick.
I think it's on that other
On the other side there. What did it say? Something?
Moment.
Moment?
Right there.
Maybe 3 o'clock or just 4 o'clock.
Oh, it is right there.
Tell them to come at 3. There you go. We'll roll it downhill. Then you can look at it.
No, so much for that.